Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are making Kashmiri nun chai, and for that we need some ingredients. First of all, we have to make nun chai tea water. For that we need Kashmiri nun chai leaves, 2 cups of water and 2 pints of baking soda. After adding every ingredient, we have to boil it for 2 to 3 times. First of all, we have to boil it first time, and then add 2 cups of water, and then second time if the whole the water has shrunk down, and then we have to boil it another time for a few minutes until it boil, and then we have to add more 2 cups of water. Then we have to do it until 4 times this process, and at the fifth time we have to make our exactly nun chai. So the most important thing of nun chai is that it's water. Now we are going to add Kashmiri nun chai water which we made, and then we need milk as per your choice. The more the milk is, the more it would be tasty. Then we need salt as per your taste, and then we need butter at the time of boiling. At that time we will add the butter. Here we are taking our things in our pan. So here we are taking as per our choice milk, and then we have to take, and we are then taking the salt. The salt that we are using is actually a rock salt. It's the rock salt and that we are here using. So I'm taking the rock salt into the pan. I'm taking it into the pan. So here we go. And the process, you have to follow each and every process with the video. You have to see how we are making it. Now we are keeping it to the boil. Now it has boiled down. Now we are taking some sort of spoon to rotate the tea up and down to make some kind of these, and then we are going to add butter at last. It's the last thing ingredient which we have to add, and at last it has been completed. We have to melt that butter, and then we have to serve it. So we are churning it a little bit here. Now we are going to serve it with Kashmiri roti, which we call it such. So we are applying the butter on it. So we Kashmiris serve this nun chai tea with the butter, and with Kashmiri butter and Kashmiri roti, which we call bread. So between people call it as swatch. So we had added it, and the serving is our Kashmiri bread. And here we go. The look is absolutely stunning. Thank you for watching till the end. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.